What goes in the main note-taking area of the Cornell method? Imagine sitting in a class or reading a textbook, and you want to capture the most important information quickly and clearly. That's exactly what the main note-taking area of the Cornell method is for. This part of your page is the biggest section and is used to write down the detailed content of your lecture or reading material. During class or study time, you should focus on jotting down facts, explanations, examples, and key ideas. The goal is to write in a way that makes sense to you, so it's best to keep your handwriting clear and organized. You don't need to write every word the teacher says. Instead, aim to capture the main points and supporting details. Use abbreviations or symbols if needed to save time. It's important to focus on understanding what you're writing rather than transcribing everything word for word. When you review your notes later, you can fill in any gaps or clarify confusing parts while the information is still fresh in your mind. This detailed record becomes the foundation for your studying and helps you remember the material better. Remember, the main note-taking area is on the right side of your page and takes up most of the space. During class or reading, this is where you write full notes about the topic. Keep your notes clear, organized, and focused on the main ideas and supporting details. This section is your primary source of information for review later. The other parts of the Cornell method, like the Q column on the left and the summary at the bottom, work together with this main area to make studying easier and more effective. So, when you're taking notes, think of this space as your detailed, organized record of everything important you want to remember.